Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new document in Microsoft Word. If you're new to Word or just want a quick refresher, you're in the right place. So let's get started. So in order to do that, we need to let's open Microsoft Word. You need to search in the search bar Word, and then you will find an option Word app. So click on it, and it gives you several options of choosing the templates. So most frequently you may need to open the blank template, right? So there are other templates that other professionals have created these templates for you. However, if you're new to Word, you may want to need this. So click on it, and then you can start writing, typing anything you want. How to write in MS Word. So now this is how you open a Microsoft Word document. But if you are already working in the document, you can also start a new blank page by going to File and then click on the New, and it gives you again the several options of templates. So you just click on blank template, so you get the blank document again. So this is how if you are working in the document, you just get a new one here. So, and if you want to use the template, you can do that. So when it gives you the options, so for example, search for online templates, you can search for, if you're writing a report, so search for report, for example. So it gives you several options of report writing. So you can choose whatever one you like. So I'm gonna choose this one, yeah, so I got it here. So this is the first page, so you can change it to 2025, and you can put your name, Daniel Vettori, for example. So now you can save your file into whatever locations you want to save it. So click go to File and then click on Save As. So in this PC, so, and you'll find several options like desktop. So I'm gonna save it in my desktop. Title report, so you can name it whatever name, like report, whatever name you choose, and click Save. Okay, so if you now go to the desktop where you saved it, here it is. So here's the report that you have already created. So that's all for now. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if this was helpful, please put your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.